Namaste. I'm very happy to be able to connect with you today. And soon I'm going to channel another message from our Pleiadian family, from the 9-dimensional Pleiadian collective. So let's see what is there for us today and how we can open our hearts more to this tremendous energy that is sent to us. Let's be very grateful that we can hear these messages and really to try to keep our hearts open into downloading the information that we receive and using less our analytical mind. In other words, let's just listen with our hearts and to allow ourselves to stay peaceful and to feel the connection with this beautiful Pleiadian collective. So I'm going to connect with the Pleiadian family. We greet you all with love and light. Today, we want to ask you to close your eyes and to stay for a minute there. Just allow yourself to feel the beats of your heart. To feel your breath and to stay there for a second. Allow yourself to be grounded, to feel your own body, your own sensations. Take a few more breaths and stay open. Receive what is to come to you, and always feel grateful for this amazing energy that can enrich your hearts now. So today we want to talk about time. And if you already read until now all the messages that were posted, maybe you've already noticed that we love to refer to time, because for us there is absolutely no time beside the constructs that we've created in our own minds, so we can function in a natural way, in accordance and in full alignment with nature. And today we want to refer more to time and nature, and to make you see the connection between those two. And we talked a lot about linear time, about the way you perceive time as having a past and the future, and how you relate to the past and how do you tend to relate to the future. And we said before that there is actually no linear time, that is just the way you tend to perceive things, the way you've created and you relate to time. We, for example, we don't use time the way you do. We use it only to date things and to measure the distance between events. That's all. So you'll notice that if you stay more and more, if you keep your focus more and more in the present moment, everything goes very harmoniously. everything goes together, everything comes together at the right moment. But because our minds are very used to go back in the past and to relate a lot to the past, and also our minds go so far away in the future, and we tend to relate so much with the future, and sometimes to even create worries and to create unrealistic plans in our minds. So today we invite you to really stay focused, to really stay in the present moment, and to create a relation between time and nature. You'll notice more and more that if you keep yourself connected with nature, with the outside life of the trees, the flowers, of the earth, if you keep yourself grounded, you're going to notice that the way you have perceived time until now, it doesn't really fit you anymore. It's not natural anymore. So we are going to invite you to let go of any kind of idea you had about time, stay focused, and to create this amazing connection between you and the rhythm of the nature. And just be aware when the sun goes up, and be aware of the sunset, and be aware of the stars at night and of the moon cycles. And keep yourself in tune with these cycles, because these are the natural ones. This is the natural rhythm of the universe. You have implemented a false idea of time. You have created time in your own ways, on your own views, which are not so natural, mostly for the rhythm of your own body. So switch this off for a moment and connect yourself with nature. Feel the rhythm of the nature. Spend time in nature. Send love to the trees, to the grass, to the animals. And slowly you're going to feel how you tune in, how nature nourishes your body, and how you are able to send back amazing and useful intentions to heal Mother Earth. So stay connected, stay in tune. Take a deep breath and imagine yourself next to a river. Imagine how you touch the water and how you're able to feel the sensations in your hands. Maybe you feel cold, or maybe you feel the water as being warm and you see the sun reflected, the sun rays reflected in the water. Just allow yourself to really tune in, to really feel the energy of the trees around, of the water, of the nature, of all of your surroundings, and really tune in. And now I'm going to invite you to set your eternal internal clock to the rhythm of the nature. Imagine yourself that you're a drop of water in the river, and allow yourself to flow with this river. Allow yourself to move naturally with this rhythm. Don't impose anything on yourself. Let all ideas about time to fade away. Be grateful for the way they served you until now, and be open to sync more and more with nature every single day. Take a deep breath and just allow yourself to align with the natural rhythm. Allow yourself to align your own energy with the energy of the sun, with the energy of the moon, and with that of the earth. Feel how you connect with these three energies. Allow yourself to feel the sun, to feel the moon, to feel the earth, and to center yourself in this triangle. Just keep yourself there for a moment.